Here I have a Chubb padlock that was sent to me by Wizwazzle. Thank you very much for the lock. It's a really nice heavy-duty padlock. It's a 5-pin. There's the key for it. It's key retaining. Key works good on it. This is a really tough lock to pick. The full sets are just crazy. And you set one, another one resets, and you're back and forth and back and forth. And but I'm going to attempt to pick it for you here on camera, so here we go. Even though my big fat fingers are in the way. Got a false set already, so that doesn't take anything on this one. 2, 3. Hands cramping really well right now. Here's where I'm at so far. There it is. Picked open. Sorry, a little excited. This one's been a bastard and a half to get picked. Just to show you, there it is picked. Key retaining, like I said, so I'm going to go ahead and lock it back up. See? Popped open. Turn it, lock it back up. There, it's locked back up. I'm going to move the camera down just a little bit here. Keep it in frame. And got it. We'll lock it back up. There it is. There's the clip off the back. There's all 5 of the key pins. This is keyed up for 6. Or I mean, you can put in a 6-pin, but no thank you. It's too tough to pick. Now we'll go through and get the top pins out. I'll show you what kind of drivers it's got. Number 1 is a super spool. Number 2 is standard. Number 3, another super spool. Number 4, another super spool. Number 5, guess what? Another super spool. So there's all 5 of the pins. There's all the springs. 1, 2, 3. 4. And number 5. All the springs are there. And I'll go ahead and dump the key pins so you guys can see these. Use the magnifier so I can show you. These spools are crazy on this thing. Deep spools. Okay, there's all 5 of them. There's all 5 of the top pins. There's the lock, there's the cap. There's the cylinder. Do a little zoom in here. There's what those spool pins look like. Number 5, 4, 3, 2 is a standard, 1's a regular. There's all the bottom key pins. There's some forensic evidence for you. This lock has been picked a time or two. Picked on. So there it is, the 5-pin Chubb. Thanks once again, Wizwazzle, for the lock. And maybe I will key it up 6 pins if I can find another one of those spools and see what I can do with that. So, thank you for watching.